Good day, everybody, welcome to today's video. Today's video, we are going to install some grab handles in my 2003 Jeep TJ. These are the grab handles right here from Hooke Road. They don't come in no fancy box or anything, but they should have actually came with hardware because I had to dig some out for myself to install. Now, personally, myself, I got a grab handle that I've had going off the roll cage, but when I got my JK, I preferred the way the JK was, where you reach in off the pillar, pull yourself in. Now, however, this install is going to be fairly simple. We do have two Torx bits that we have to remove, and we all know how Torx aren't our friend. And to top it off, they're a T35. And I want to point this out, the grab handles are different for right and left side, so don't get discouraged if you go and install them and you figure out that one doesn't fit properly. So I noticed right there with my pillar is that I'm going to have to modify the plastic in order to get those in. They don't fit over top of the plastic. So a little bit of modification. So I use my head camera, but I'm not sure how much you're actually going to be able to see of this. I already used the ratchet to break it free because you know how Torxes are not our friend. I'm just gonna spin that out, and they're not terribly long either. See if I can get that upper one. Oh, butterfingers! This is gonna make a big mess. First one is in. Doesn't look too bad at all. On mine I had to modify the plastic trim there, but I think it'll do. It'll do. There we are, the Hooke Road Jeep TJ grab handles are installed. Slight modification. Not a big deal. The only thing I did is that the factory bolts were too short then, and I had these ones that came out of a Sea-Doo engine I tore apart, and I kept all the fasteners because that's how I roll. But they actually need to be countersunk, but I'm making these work. They're nice and tight. There we have it. Both grab handles are installed. So if you guys have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everybody. Thanks for watching.